Hair loss is a distressing experience that affects millions of people worldwide. Many individuals find themselves in a relentless pursuit of solutions, trying everything from expensive shampoos to unconventional DIY treatments. The market is flooded with products promising miraculous results, yet often these promises fall short, leaving users disappointed and frustrated. Celebrity hairstylist Jawd Habib has openly criticized many commercial hair oil advertisements as scams, highlighting the widespread disillusionment with these so-called remedies. The emotional toll of hair loss can be significant, impacting self-esteem and confidence. People suffering from thinning hair or bald spots often feel exposed and vulnerable, leading them to explore various options in hopes of finding a cure. Despite the plethora of products available, the results are frequently underwhelming. This cycle of hope and disappointment can be exhausting, leaving many to wonder if a genuine solution exists. The desperation for a remedy often leads individuals to explore unconventional methods, such as apple cider rinses or even beer treatments. However, these DIY approaches can be hit or miss, with efficacy often questioned and potential risks involved. The search for a reliable and effective solution continues, driving many to explore new and emerging options in the hope of achieving the desired results. For those facing hair loss, a range of treatments exists from FDA-approved medications to over-the-counter and salon options. Minoxidil is the only FDA-approved topical ingredient, but requires consistent use and may cause scalp irritation. Finasteride and ketoconazole shampoo are other options, though results vary. Newer products with onion extract offer a promising, natural alternative. Consulting a dermatologist is recommended, as finding the right solution can be complex and personal. Among the natural remedies gaining popularity for hair growth is onion juice. This simple homemade solution has captured the attention of many seeking to improve their hair health naturally. Onion juice is prepared by extracting the juice from fresh onions, a process that can be done using a blender or juicer. Once prepared, the juice is massaged into the scalp, similar to how one would apply hair oil. The application process is straightforward. Jawd Habib, a renowned hairstylist, suggests applying the juice twice a week, leaving it on the scalp for only 5 minutes before washing it off. This method is designed to minimize the strong odor associated with onions, while still allowing the active compounds to benefit the hair and scalp. The juice can also be diluted with water to create onion water, offering a milder alternative for those with sensitive skin. Onion juice is believed to work by stimulating blood circulation in the scalp, supporting keratin production, and nourishing hair follicles. Its high sulfur content is thought to strengthen hair strands, reduce breakage, and promote thicker growth. Additionally, the antioxidants and anti-inflammatory properties present in onions may protect hair follicles from oxidative stress and improve overall scalp health. The effectiveness of onion juice for hair growth is attributed to its rich sulfur content, which plays a crucial role in promoting healthy hair. Sulfur is a key component of keratin, a protein that forms the structural foundation of hair. By providing the necessary building blocks for keratin production, onion juice may help strengthen hair strands and reduce breakage. In addition to sulfur, onions contain powerful antioxidants like quercetin, which may protect hair follicles from oxidative stress. This protection can enhance blood flow to the scalp, further supporting hair growth. The anti-inflammatory and antimicrobial properties of onion juice may also help calm scalp conditions, reduce itchiness, and prevent infections, contributing to a healthier scalp environment. Scientific studies have explored the potential benefits of onion juice for hair growth, particularly in cases of alopecia areata, an autoimmune condition causing hair loss. A 2002 review indicated that a significant percentage of individuals with this condition experienced hair regrowth when applying onion juice twice daily. However, evidence for its effectiveness in more common types of hair loss, such as pattern baldness, remains limited. While the scientific community continues to study onion juice's potential, the current understanding suggests that its benefits are primarily supported by small studies and anecdotal evidence. More research is needed to confirm its efficacy for general hair loss, and to understand the mechanisms through which it may promote hair growth. Expert opinions on onion juice for hair growth are mixed. Some, like celebrity hairstylist Jawd Habib, advocate its use, while others urge caution. Many users report thicker hair after using onion juice, but dermatologists note the evidence is mostly anecdotal and based on small studies. Experts like Dr. Brendan Camp and Dr. Candice Spann suggest onion juice may help scalp health, but results vary. Scientific evidence for onion juice treating common hair loss like androgenetic alopecia is limited, so it shouldn't be relied on as the sole treatment for hair loss. While onion juice offers a natural alternative for hair growth, it's not without potential side effects. Some individuals may experience skin irritation, redness, or itching when applying concentrated onion juice to the scalp. To minimize the risk of adverse reactions, it's really crucial to perform a patch test on a small area of skin before applying the juice to the entire scalp. The strong odor of onion juice is another thing to keep in mind, since it can be quite potent and, honestly, a bit unpleasant. Additionally, those with light-colored hair should know that onion juice may cause a yellowish tint. Homemade preparations also pose a risk of bacterial contamination, as they lack preservatives found in commercial products. To ensure safety, it's advisable to consult a dermatologist or hair expert before starting any new hair treatment, especially for folks with sensitive skin or pre-existing scalp conditions. Professional guidance can help determine the suitability of onion juice and provide recommendations for safer alternatives, such as professionally formulated products containing onion extract. By taking these precautions, individuals can explore the potential benefits of onion juice while minimizing the risk of side effects. It's essential to approach this natural remedy with caution and awareness, understanding that its efficacy may vary and that professional consultation is always recommended for persistent hair concerns. For those intrigued by the potential of onion juice for hair growth, it's important to approach this natural remedy with an open mind and realistic expectations. While it may offer benefits for some, it's not a guaranteed solution for everyone. Individuals should consider trying onion juice as part of a broader hair care routine, alongside proven treatments and professional advice. Exploring the use of onion juice can be an exciting journey, offering a chance to experiment with natural remedies and discover what works best for individual needs. However, it's crucial to remain informed about potential side effects and to prioritize safety by performing patch tests and consulting with experts. For those experiencing persistent or severe hair loss, seeking professional guidance is essential. A dermatologist can help identify the underlying causes of hair loss and recommend effective, evidence-based treatments tailored to individual needs. By combining natural remedies with professional advice, individuals can take a comprehensive approach to hair care and achieve the best possible outcomes. Encouraging exploration and consultation empowers individuals to take control of their hair health, fostering a proactive and informed approach to addressing hair loss. By staying curious and open to new possibilities, readers can embark on a journey toward healthier, more vibrant hair. As the conversation around onion juice and hair growth continues to evolve, sharing personal experiences can provide valuable insights and support for others on a similar journey. Readers are encouraged to share their stories, whether they've tried onion juice or other DIY hair growth remedies. By exchanging experiences, individuals can learn from one another and discover new approaches to hair care. Engagement with the community can also foster a sense of camaraderie and encouragement, helping individuals feel less isolated in their struggles with hair loss. By participating in discussions and sharing tips, readers can contribute to a collective pool of knowledge that benefits everyone. In addition to community engagement, seeking professional advice remains a cornerstone of effective hair care. Consulting a dermatologist or hair expert can provide personalized recommendations and help individuals navigate the complex landscape of hair loss treatments. Professional guidance ensures that individuals receive accurate information and access to evidence-based solutions. By combining shared experiences with expert advice, readers can make informed decisions about their hair care journey. This collaborative approach empowers individuals to take proactive steps toward achieving their hair goals, supported by a community of like-minded individuals and knowledgeable professionals. In conclusion, onion juice presents an intriguing option for those seeking natural solutions to hair loss. While it offers potential benefits, it's important to approach this remedy with caution and awareness of its limitations. By understanding the science behind onion juice and considering expert opinions, individuals can make informed decisions about incorporating it into their hair care routine. The journey to healthier hair is a personal one, requiring exploration, patience, and a willingness to try new approaches. By sharing experiences and seeking professional advice, readers can navigate the challenges of hair loss with confidence and support. Encouraging engagement and community participation fosters a collaborative environment where individuals can learn from one another and discover effective solutions. As readers embark on their hair care journey, they're encouraged to take the first step by exploring the potential of onion juice and other natural remedies. By staying informed and open to new possibilities, individuals can achieve their hair goals and enjoy the confidence that comes with healthy, vibrant hair. For those interested in more science-backed hair care tips and expert advice, engaging with the community and seeking professional guidance can provide valuable insights and support.